Now you will learn how to optimize SEO for your YouTube channel using ChatGPT. This lesson won't only be useful for YouTube channels but also for some social media profiles like Instagram, TikTok, and others. So Mateos, what is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. In other words, SEO is the process of optimizing content for search engines. There are various popular search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, and even YouTube, which we can classify as a search engine since it is a search engine for videos. With the help of ChatGPT, you can perform SEO optimization for your YouTube videos, allowing you to rank your videos higher in search results. I'm here on the computer screen with this video inside YouTube Studio. So we have a title, a description, and tags already filled in, but I'm going to use ChatGPT to optimize them. How can I do this in practice? Here's ChatGPT. You can do the following. Let's say you want to optimize your title. In ChatGPT, you can use the following command. What would be good SEO-friendly titles for my videos about? And in the theme, you describe the main topic of your video. I'll input the main topic of my video. Earn more than $20 per day with passive income online. I'll take this title, which is my theme, paste it into ChatGPT and send this message. Here are the SEO optimized titles that ChatGPT generated for me. How to earn $20 daily online, top passive income sources, another title. Make 20 pows every day with these passive income strategies, another title. Daily $20 income online, best passive income ideas for 2024, and so on. In my case, I'll use this specific title, but instead of 5 sources, I'll just include income sources. How to earn $20 daily online, top passive income sources. Now, you can create a good description to optimize for SEO. You'll write the following command. Can you help me create an SEO optimized description for my video about and describe the theme? I'll use my title, How to Earn $20 Daily Online, Top Passive Income Sources. I'll send this message to ChatGPT and let's see what description it generates. This was the description it created for me. Unlock the secrets to earning over $20 daily with passive income sources on the internet. In this video, we'll dive into the best strategies and methods that can help you generate a steady stream of income without constant effort. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your current online earnings, these tips and tricks are perfect for anyone aiming to achieve financial freedom. And more content below. So, this is how the description that ChatGPT created for me turned out. I'll make this change in the video description option, paste the description it generated, and save it to continue. Another SEO optimization task for your description is optimizing through hashtags. This significantly increases your video's reach on the YouTube platform. I added 3 hashtags which are also good. Just passive income, just earn money online, just digital marketing. These tags were also generated by GPT. To generate new tags, you can do the following. Type the prompt, what video tags would be effective for my video, and describe the theme of your video. So the theme of my video is how to earn $20 daily online, top passive income sources. I'll take this same title, input it into ChatGPT, and send the message. Here are some tags it suggested. Give us passive income, yador make money online, yados earn money, and others. You can choose at least 3 hashtags to optimize your videos for SEO. It's important to note that these hashtags are also very useful on other social media platforms like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and others. You can use these hashtags to optimize your videos for SEO as well. Another SEO optimization task you can do for your videos is in the tag section. Tags are essentially keywords linked to your YouTube videos. For example, if someone searches for digital marketing, my video might show up. It won't appear right now because I've set it to private, but if I make it public, it's likely to show up. Or if someone searches for earn $20 per day, it might also appear. This is a very important aspect of SEO optimization for your YouTube videos. You're going to type the following prompt. What would be good tags for a YouTube video with the title? And you can edit either the title or the theme of the video. I'll input the title to help improve the SEO optimization even further. I'll paste my title again and send this message to ChatGPT. And these are some tags it suggested. Make money online, passive income, income sources, extra income, online business, income opportunities, digital marketing, work from home, among others. I can take all these tags that it suggested and insert them into the tag section of my video. If you do the same as I did, it probably won't work if you copy and paste them all at once, as it will result in an error due to tags being too long. You need to separate these tags with commas. Once you do that, you can copy the tags separated by commas and insert them into your video. I'll do that. And here's how it looks. I'll click the save button. Another SEO task you can also perform on your YouTube channel is in the settings option. You go to the channel option, and in the keywords section, you can insert some keywords for your channel. I'll delete the already inserted keywords and in ChatGPT, write the following prompt. Give me keywords or tags for a YouTube channel about, and describe your channel's niche and some characteristics, like the videos you publish and other information. I'll input a channel called Matthias Stangerlin focused on digital marketing, investment, and online business. I'll send this message to ChatGPT, and these will be the keywords it suggests for my YouTube channel. You do the same. Separate these tags with commas and insert them into your channel. I'll take these tags again, paste them into the keywords section, and click the save button. These are the ways you can optimize SEO on your YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.